Hey, Mrnewmobile here. So we have the details of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Get ready for a blend of premium specs and cutting-edge technology. Let's talk about the release date rumored for September 2025. That's when the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will officially hit the shelves. Now, for the price. This powerhouse tablet will be available for around $200 in the USA, a premium price for a premium device. Now let's break down the specs that make this tablet stand out. It boasts a stunning 6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support for breathtaking visuals. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, ensuring smooth performance for all your gaming and multitasking needs. Photography lovers will appreciate the dual main camera setup featuring 13MP and 8MP lenses, plus a dual 16MP front camera for all your selfies and video calls. With an impressive 12,000 mAh battery and 65 watts wired charging capability, you can stay powered up throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. Available in Moonstone Grey and Platinum Silver, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is not just stylish, it's also IP68 dust and water resistant. It will run on Android 15, bringing you the latest features and security updates, along with 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet access. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. With its premium specs and sleek design, it's set to be a game changer in the tablet market. Are you excited about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.